Hello and welcome to GMAX Studios. My name is Gorky M. A while back, we had published a video about how to shoot a panorama, in which I had said panoramic images also have another great application, but we shall talk about that in another video. Well, this is that video in which we will add a subject to the panorama. And this gives a really unique look and feel to your photograph. Some people are of the opinion that this resembles the photographs taken by a medium format camera. But whatever it is, this provides a truly unique look and feel to whatever photographs you take using this technique. This technique of taking panoramic portraits is also called the Brenizer method, after the wedding photographer Ryan Brenizer, who made it popular. It is also called a bokeh panorama or a bokeh-rama. So let us try and figure out what this method is. Whenever you shoot a portrait with a wide-angle lens, or a wide-angle photograph for that matter, the first thing that you lose is the shallow depth of field, which is supposed to be the signature in portrait photography. With this method, you not only get a wide-angle photograph, but you also get an extremely shallow depth of field, which is a truly unique combination. So to create a panoramic portrait, we need the following things. Number one, a willing subject, a 50mm lens, or an 85mm lens, which is preferable, and optionally a tripod, depending upon the level of your skill and confidence, and of course a photo editing software like Adobe Lightroom or Photoshop. So like a panorama, you have to set everything to manual: the exposure, the focus, the ISO, and the white balance. Once you have nailed this, you have to place your subject in a pose or a position which he or she is comfortable holding for a minute or two. Then first of all, you have to take a picture of the face. Once you are sure that you have got the right expression, then you start moving the camera around without changing any other setting and start taking photographs of the surrounding areas. You can do this either in vertical or horizontal orientation. After that, it is just a matter of selecting the images and merging them in this software. Remember, you can process the images either before or after you merge them. It is totally up to you. So let us try and take a bokeh-rama right in this setup and see what it looks like. Here is another example. In fact, you can use this technique to get pretty unique and amazing results while shooting still life, objects, or products. For more videos like this and more videos on photography and filmmaking, subscribe to our channel GMAX Studios, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.